Hey everybody, if your Android device is running slow and you want to speed up your slow Android phone, today we are going to guide you through some fixes for that, so let's just get started. So simple fix is restarting your phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option and go ahead and tap on it. That should often quickly resolve the issue and make your device run a little bit faster than it normally is. Apart from that, you can clear cache and data for the specific application that may be having the issue. So for example, if YouTube is having the issue, you can hold that specific app and go to their info. And once you go to their info, you can scroll down, look out for the storage option. And after you go to storage, look out for clear cache and also clear up the data if necessary. And for major slowdowns, you can consider a factory reset after backing up your device's data, everything that you have. So for that, you can go to your settings. And usually after you go to settings, you can scroll down and go to the general management section. After you go to general management section, you should be finding an option for reset. You can tap on it. And then you can just go over and look out for this option for factory data reset and confirm it up. And that should usually delete all of the data. It will erase all of the data, including files and downloaded applications. That should particularly make your device run faster than it is, and you can start from default settings available. Apart from that, you can update your Android's operating system as well sometimes. Go to your settings for that. And then you may scroll down and go to the very last section and find software update and go ahead and tap on it. After that, if there is any kind of update available, you can just go over and look out for download and install and do so, and that should probably work out for you. And that's it, everybody. If your Android device is running slow, these are the methods you can probably follow for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.